Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix FPS Drop in LDPlayer, Full Guide 2026, so you can enjoy smooth and stable gameplay without sudden lag on your PC. First, open LDPlayer and go to Settings. Inside the Performance tab, adjust CPU and RAM allocation. Set at least 4 CPU cores and 4 GB RAM if your system allows it. Low resource allocation is one of the main reasons for FPS drops. Next, open display settings and lower the resolution to 1280 by 720. Higher resolution increases GPU load and causes FPS instability during gaming. Now move to graphics settings. Select OpenGL mode first. If FPS drops still happen, switch to DirectX and restart LDPlayer to see which runs smoother on your PC. After that, enable high FPS mode and set frame rate properly. Avoid setting extremely high FPS if your PC cannot maintain it consistently. Then check virtualization status, open Task Manager, go to Performance, and make sure virtualization is enabled. If disabled, enable it from BIOS to significantly improve emulator stability. Next, close background applications like browsers, screen recorders, or downloads because they consume CPU and RAM and cause sudden FPS drops. Also open Windows graphics settings and set LDPlayer to high performance mode so your dedicated GPU handles the emulator. Inside your game settings, reduce graphics quality, disable shadows, and turn off extra visual effects for stable performance. Finally, update LDPlayer and your graphics drivers to remove bugs and improve optimization. And that's it. FPS drops should now be fixed and your gameplay should feel much smoother. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more PC optimization tutorials. Thanks for watching.